Hello everyone, this is Mr. Taliani, Dean of Students and Department Leader at Metro High School. Each year, Metro has students complete a summer reading project that connects to the ideas or goals of our school. Summer reading helps students maintain learning that we worked on the previous school year and improve critical thinking when we start in the fall. This year, your required summer reading will involve reading 2 books over the next few months. 1 book about our 2021 Design Challenge topic, and 1 book of your choice from the selected genres below. You will then complete an assignment that will be your first grade in advisory in August. Let's talk about the books that you can choose from. As I mentioned, you'll be reading 2 books. 1 must come from this green box on our Design Challenge topic, Smart Houses and Innovative Housing. Your choices include Inside the Smart Home by Richard Harper, The Internet of Things, How Smart TVs, Smart Cars, Smart Homes, and Smart Cities Are Changing the World by Michael Miller, Home Attitude, Everything You Need to Know to Make Your Home Smart by John Patrick, Uneven Innovation by Jennifer Clark, Smart Cities, Big Data, Civic Hackers, and the Quest for a New Utopia by Anthony Townsend, Smart Homes and Their Users by Tom Hargreaves and Charlie Wilson. So you'll choose 1 book from that column. You will then also choose a book from these 4 genres: nonfiction memoir, fiction, mindfulness, or science, STEM, and innovation. So your choices will come from 1 from this green column on the Design Challenge topic, and 2, anything from any of these 4 genres. 2 books total. Your choice is up to you. You will then complete a mastery assignment, which will be your first grade for Advisory 2020. You have 3 options to demonstrate your knowledge of both books. Option A, select one of the innovations or tech ideas from your selected Smart Home book and attempt to create the technology in your home using resources you have access to. Modify or adapt the technology based on your needs, resources, or household. You will then present the technology that you built to your advisory in August, walk through your methods in your process, any challenges you faced. If possible, bring it in to show us. As also part of your presentation, you'll attempt to connect ideas or similar challenges or needs from your novel from Section 2 of your Student Choice book. Option B, select an innovation or tech idea from your selected Smart Home book and research its implementation in homes, cities, and living areas across the world. How has the innovation been helpful? How effective is it? How accessible is the technology? What are the pros and cons of the innovation? How could this innovation be helpful or be improved? You'll present your research via PowerPoint, slideshow, or video to your advisory in the fall, and you'll attempt to connect ideas from your research to your novel from your student choice selection from Section 2. Your final option for your project is a 1.5 to 2-page formal essay where you will summarize and connect the protagonist, main subject, or overarching idea of your book from Section 2, your genre of choice, to an idea or concept from your selected Smart House book from Section 1. Where do similarities and differences exist between the 2 novels? How do you see ideas of innovation, perseverance, or growth mindset demonstrated in both books? This essay option will also be briefly summarized and will be due in the fall when we come back. Regardless of which option you choose, A, B, or C, teachers will use this rubric to grade your project. You will be graded on a scale of incomplete, work in progress, mastery, or above mastery. As a Metro student, your goal should be to earn mastery or above in these 2 columns. Let's talk about an example. I read the book Good Omens by Terry Pratchett and Neil Gaiman. I also read the book Smart Cities by Anthony Townsend. Smart Cities is a great book for those interested in the history of innovation and how the history of technology has come about over our century. Good Omens is a fiction book about the fictional end of the world. In this book is a character named Newt Pulsifer. Newt is not a really strong character. He kind of exists to be the butt of everyone's joke and gets made fun of a lot. But he is part of a team of people who help to stop the impending end of the world. In Smart Cities, Big Data, Civic Hackers, and the Quest for a New Utopia, Townsend writes about how countries from Beijing to Boston have innovated the way that they set up their cities, the technology that's available to citizens, and potential outlooks for our future living in urban areas. In both of these books, one main idea is the idea that we need to work together to solve problems. Townsend talks about how cities have come together throughout the world to share ideas, and that innovators work together as a team to create new technologies with politicians, mayors, and local leaders. And in Good Omens, Newt Pulsifer works together with many funny characters to stop the impending end of the world. If I were to write my project and do my project on this, I would select option C because I like to write papers, and write my paper about how Newt and his idea of working together to innovate and solve a problem connects with Townsend's idea of how mayors and local leaders work together with tech leaders to solve problems in their cities. Whatever books you choose, the choice is up to you, but you'll be choosing one from this green section and one from this multicolored 4-genre option. You will find this assignment posted on the Metro website and shared out in an update from Miss Mari Burgett. Have a great summer and make sure to read your books. Thank you.